Okay, Alfa Romeo 4C. I got carbon fiber mirror caps. Didn't know how to replace them. And then one of the mirror caps came off the other day, so I could see inside a little bit. And this is what the inside looks like. It's just a couple of clips. It has the mirror cap on, and I've got these really nice carbon fiber mirror caps to put on. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some tape here to protect the housing. So I've got masking tape on the bottom of the side mirror housing because I'm going to use actually a spoon to pry the mirror off. It says if you just push it to get it so there's an opening here, then you can fit something in there, preferably like a piece of a wood, something wood, but I'm going to use a spoon. Okay, so I'm going to get this spoon under there and just gently, hopefully gently pry. Okay, so I was able to pry the mirror off. It's just got some clips on it. The heating element is attached. I don't think I need to remove it, we'll see. But for the mirror cap, you can see these clips right here. And these all need to come off to release the mirror cap. So I'm gonna put toothpicks in there like I saw some guy do on another car. So this is kind of hard to film, but basically I'm releasing the clip and then placing a toothpick in there like I did on that one. If you turn the side mirror all the way in, you can apply more pressure here to pry the housing off, the cover, the mirror cap off. So it's easiest if you release the clips from the inside, and I just put some masking tape on my screwdriver head so it doesn't hurt the housing. And then the cap releases, and you can just pull it off. So the cap is off and intact. This is what the back of the light looks like. And I'm going to put the new caps on. New carbon fiber caps for the Alfa. Carbon fiber all the way through. So basically it just clips on. I'm just gonna kind of align. There's a arm at the bottom inside. See those that need to be aligned, and then it just kind of ease it on, and it's get it in there close, and then clip it in place. Make sure all the clips, make sure they all clip. Hold them down tight. Make sure it's all in there. And hell yeah, some carbon fiber caps for the Alfa. Now I'm just gonna put the mirror back on. So I think I'm gonna remove the tape first. So the mirror also has an arm right here that's got to go into place here, and then it's got these clips that have to go around these things right here. So I'm just going to fit it and then push it in. Okay, all good. The mirror moves, so I'm going to get in the car, turn it on, and make sure it moves like it's supposed to. Okay, so just checking the mirror to make sure it's responsive in all directions, and we're good. Awesome. Carbon fiber caps, yeah.